In this video, I'm gonna show you how to open and edit a PDF file in Affinity. So let's get started. To open a PDF file, go to File and hit Open. Then select the PDF file I want to edit. A pop-up box will appear showing some options to select. I can load all pages or just specific pages. Select Import as Pages or Artboards. Then select the DPI and color space. The Estimate option follows and uses the original resolution and color of the PDF file. Below those, I can check to favor editable text over fidelity. This means I want to prioritize the text to make it more editable even if the text doesn't follow the original layout. Then check if I want to group lines of text into text frames, which group text inside a single frame instead of separate them into lines. And if I don't have the font, I can replace it here. Once I'm happy with the options, I'll click OK. Then I'll be taken to the Layout Studio with all pages loaded here on the left panel. I can then go to any page I want to edit. I can add some text, change text color, move the image, remove image, add image, and more. Pretty much anything I want, which is very cool. So that's how you can edit a PDF file with Affinity. Have fun with it. If this tutorial helps you, please like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a good day.